My name's Angus Johnson. Live in North Uist in Solas, and this is where I usually come windsurfing down in the Clare, and it's probably my favourite spot in the whole of North Uist. Get good waves at times. Today it's been quite flat. It's been windy, but wind offshore and no waves. There's other good spots that are over on the west side and over to Hosta and Bayhead, down Ballashett, all the way down really the west coast of Uist, and over to Traer at Greentot and Clachan Sands, and plenty of places. This is the best spot probably for even beginners. It's quite shallow, but also at the same time when they get good swell and good wind you can wave sail, sailing on the waves and jumping, and it's probably the best spot in Uist right now. I do kite surfing and surfing, mountain biking. Usually I prefer windsurfing, but if there's calm winds I'll go kite surfing, and if there's no wind or it's good surf I'll go surfing, and then when there's nothing of these three I'll go mountain biking up in the hills and just running and general keep fit sort of thing. It's probably better for surfing and windsurfing in autumn. You get water's warmer then anyway. It's best time of year for the water temperature, and usually if there's big swells and storms in America, the swell comes over to us, so we get the wind and the waves. And winter time you'll get big waves anyway, but it's just cold. It's pretty expensive to get going first of all. Boards are about, nowadays the new boards are over £1,000, and sails are between £350 to £400. You probably need a few sails to get out in all conditions, so 4 sails, maybe 2 masts, a boom or 2, a couple of boards if you want to go out in all conditions. I think I've got 4 just now, but one of them is a big huge thing just for going out in flat calm weather and teaching people. My smallest board's 74 litres in volume, so that will hold 74 kilos above the water, but when it stops it just sinks, but it's good fun. Uist is great for outdoor sports, I'd say. One of the best places. I've been around different areas and around Europe and New Zealand and places. The only thing I'd say is it needs bigger mountains, but it's a big playground. Yeah, great for all water sports, kayaking and sailing, everything. Yeah. I've been windsurfing since I think I was 14 and I'm now 37, so my brain isn't working from the cold yet.